I like to say thank y'all for getting your boy to 700, whatever, how many subscribers, man. That shit is like, it's everything to me. So for that, I'm gonna drop some exclusive shit I wouldn't put on the channel, but because I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, I'm gonna get into it. So today we're gonna talk about harmonizing. Harmonizing comes from the word harmony, and what harmony is the chords in music, okay? And chords are on the piano when you press 2 or more keys, and it creates a sound of different notes playing together, but it sounds so beautiful together. And these are chords, and then 99% of songs you're gonna hear, 99% of the beats you hear, 99% of songs you've ever heard, they all have chord progressions. And remember, chords are harmony. Harmonizing, harmony, chords. What am I saying with all this? Okay, every song having chords also has melody. The melody is usually the top line thing. That's the thing that you hear first. That's the number one thing that your ear locks onto besides the drums. But what the harmony and what the chords are doing in the background, they're creating an emotional palette for whatever the song is, you know, whether it be an aggressive one, a sad one, a beautiful one, you know, it all depends on what type of chords they're using. And so how does that pertain to singing and rapping? When you hear rappers or singers harmonizing, they're basically landing notes or singing on top of the chords. This gives them melodic ideas, or this helps them find the notes. Like, I know some people are like, how the fuck do I know what notes to sing? Well, the thing is they're harmonizing. They're matching their voice to the harmony of the beat, and that's gonna tell them the proper notes to use so they're not all out of key and out of tune. I'm gonna show you how you can implement this into your work so you'll be able to harmonize. I wanna make a disclaimer. I can't fucking sing. But I'm gonna learn how to sing on you niggas. I promise. I'm gonna learn how to sing on you motherfuckers. But for now, I need you guys to excuse my off-key, off-tone voice. But for the sake of this example, I'm gonna show you guys how to harmonize. You hear the piano in the background? It sounds like those are the chords. That's the harmony of the beat. And so I want you guys to start singing over it, and then you bring in your improvisation. You're improvising. I do this shit for all my bros. Yeah, and I know niggas, they gon' hate on me, but fuck it, I been getting paid, my nigga. Yeah, I pull up in that Escalade, baby. Yeah, a young nigga getting paid, nigga. Yeah, I'm landing all of my notes where the chords go. This is how I'm making all these songs, so I let a nigga know this how it go, ho. Subscribe to me just for the promo. I'm singing over chords. Yeah, and I'm running on. I keep it sitting on. I keep the stick on me. Niggas don't trip on me. I keep a stack on me. I keep a rack on me. On me. I'm riding through this city with my niggas. Yeah, I'm singing right over the chorus. I keep that pistol on my side, that's that pistol, nigga. Yeah, I up that bitch like it's a sword. Yeah, I'm singing on the chorus. On the and you can go wherever you want to with your improvisation. Another thing that I want you guys to take away from that, and I'm gonna show you how this music shit is full circle. It's like math. It's like numbers. That's why I like numbers so much. And music is kind of related to math in a way that's deeper, but I won't get into that. This music shit is full circle, because you know how in my videos I tell you guys to hit on the one, right? And I always be talking about the one and the kick drum. The thing is about harmony and about the bass, is the bass, the kick, the 808 is always gonna be the bottom note of that chord. So that's how these rappers and singers know what note to use, because Okay, take my rap examples when I tell you to follow the one. Okay, you following the one. You scatting and you improvising over the one. You mumbling over the one, right? Okay, now listen to the chords in it. Every beat is gonna have chords in it, and so instead of just rapping whatever you're putting on the one, match those notes up to the chord on the one, and that is gonna put you in the right key. And you just gotta practice with it, man. You're not gonna be the next Whitney Houston in 2 weeks after doing this. You gotta practice on it, but implementing this in your music is gonna instantly take you from here to at least here. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it, man. I appreciate y'all for everything. Holla at your boy. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and Happy New Year. Peace.